Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this spin and clone effect inside After Effects. Super easy to do, super fire. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. 80% of you guys aren't subscribed, so subscribe so you don't miss any notifications. I'm dropping tutorials every single day this month. You don't want to miss out. Hit that like button so YouTube can continue to push out my videos to other creators as well. It really helps my channel grow, and it's free support, guys. So if you support me, hit that like button. Let's get it. With that being said, let's hop straight into the tutorial. Now that we're inside After Effects, first thing we're going to do is we're going to rotoscope our subject from our background. If you guys don't know how to rotoscope, I'll link down below a video that I made teaching you guys how to rotoscope, so make sure you check it out. Link in the description. We're going to go ahead and double click on our clip. I'm gonna go ahead and press on that rotor brush tool. I'm gonna go ahead and rotor our subject out. So that's done rotor, go ahead and press the freeze button. Go ahead and close out the layer. Now we're gonna control D. We're gonna go to the bottom layer, remove that rotor from it. We won't be needing it. Now we're gonna press control D once again. And we're gonna change that bottom one to main rotor. So this will be the main rotoscope. We won't be messing with it. Go to that rotor that we just duplicated. Go to the transform in the position. Put a keyframe. Let's go a few frames in. Go ahead and bring them over here to the side. We want to go a few frames over again where we want the offset to happen. We're gonna go ahead and control shift D to cut that up. Before we move on, let's make sure we put that first rotor underneath the main rotor. We're gonna go to that clip that we just cut up. We're gonna go to the position, put a keyframe. We're gonna go a few frames in. And we're gonna bring that position to the other side, just like that. I'm gonna play back with something like that. Now for us to finish it off, we're gonna control shift D again. We're gonna go into the position, put a keyframe, go in. We're gonna bring that back. We're gonna reset that back to 960, which was the original value. And now we play it back, got something like that. Super fire. For us to make the animation a little bit more smoother, we're gonna select those keyframes we just created, press F9 and easy ease. Go to the graph editor, we're gonna make a graph. What we pretty much did is we made it faster in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and copy that graph for the other keyframes we just did. Press your keyboard to see those keyframes. Go ahead, choose them, F9 again. Go ahead and make the same graph. Make sure you guys are on speed graph and not value graph. As you guys see in the middle goes the fastest. Close out the graph. We're gonna go to our first one that we did. Press U to bring up those keyframes. Select F9, same graph. And also don't forget to turn on the motion blur on those clips. If you guys don't see the motion blur right here, go to toggle switches and modes. Press on it, it should pop up. Now you guys can see there's like a blur as he's moving. This looks super clean. And that's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day. You don't want to miss out. Hit that like button. Go ahead, hit that like button. Like the video up if you haven't hit it yet. It really helps my channel grow. Appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.